channel. Today we bring you the second chapter of International Cuisine. Today let's travel to France. Today I want to share with you my recipe to prepare a delicious crepes. I just want to tell you the ingredients to prepare the mixture, because then you can fill them with the ingredients that you prefer. You can fill them with fruits, yogurt, Nutella, sugar, the ingredients that you like the most. So let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 100 grams of flour, 3 eggs, vanilla, 300 grams of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 30 grams of melted butter. Let's start by putting the eggs in a bowl and beat them with a whisk. I recommend that both the eggs and the milk be at room temperature. Add the sugar and vanilla and beat. Then add the milk and mix well. Add the flour and mix just until it's integrated. Add the melted butter. And we have our dough ready. We are going to pass it through the sieve to make it smoother and remove all the lumps. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Spread butter all over the surface and remove the excess with paper towel. Mix the butter very well and add a drizzle, moving the pan in circles to distribute the butter all over the surface as soon as possible. I usually have the fire at 7 out of 9. Let it cook for 1-2 minutes, and when you see that the edges are dry, you can use the paddle to turn it over. On the other side, I will leave it for about 20-30 seconds, no more. And that's it. With this recipe you should get about 6-8 crepes. So easy, guys! You can fill them with whatever you like. I love to fill them with banana, strawberry, yogurt, even custard. A little bit of icing sugar on top and agave syrup, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and we will see you next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!